So let's see how it goes because this is Kale's first cinema ever.
Hi peeps, I go in my cinema house.
Cinemas? What are you gonna watch? Say Mufasa.
Mufasa.
What animal is that?
Lion.
Lion. What is the sound of the lion?
I miss you, Jordan.
Miss Dongdong.
Yeah. Are you with your day?
What?
This is Daddy to watch. Mommy to watch.
Mommy and Daddy don't go to work on Saturday. Today is Saturday.
I'll go with Daddy to go to school.
You will not go to school today. Where are you going today?
Daddy.
You will watch?
Yeah, watch.
What are you gonna watch? What animal are you gonna watch?
Lion.
Good job. The
Lion.
title is Mufasa.
Mufasa.
Yes.
The lion.
Lion, yes.
Lion.
Okay.
The people.
Let's go watch cinema!
Yay!
Thank God it's Saturday. It's the weekend.
Hi, peeps.
Yan, bumabati na yung maliit na bata na nasa likod. Maganda yung weather ngayon, -9. Tapos maaraw. So, yeah. Normally kasi kapag weekend, dun bumubuhos yung snow eh. Ngayon, iba. Ngayon, maaraw. So, it's really a good day to go outside. The roads are filled with snow. And the roads are slippery. So, we need to be careful going to the Cineplex. Kale, how was your sleep? Good. How about Mommy? How's your sleep, Mommy?
It's good. It's great. I slept early. Earlier than sa
Yeah. Paggabi kasi nag-edit ako ng video, ng vlog, cost of living vlog namin. Tapos naririnig ko silang dalawa nag-aaway na. Kale, you're not sleeping yet. Si Mami nung kapasok ko sa kwarto natutulog na. Si Kale gusto niyang patayin yung lamp. Gusto niya daw dark. Normally ang gusto niya merong dim lights na at least parang warm lights. So yun, ngayon papunta nga kami ng Cineplex para manood ng sine. Kasi nung last month nanood kami lang dalawa ni Pat. Tapos napasearch kami kung pwede na ba naming isama si Kale sa sine. Pwede pala kasi less than 3 years old pa lang siya. Tapos basta yung papanoorin niya pwede sa age niya. So ang papanoorin namin ngayon is Mufasa. Hey, what animal is the Mufasa? Lion, no? He knows. Wala pa siyang bayad kasi less than 3 years old, libre pa. Pero wala pa siyang seat, so ikakalong lang namin siya. So let's see how it goes because this is Kale's first cinema ever.
Matatapos ba namin yung movie?
Matatapos ba namin yung movie o uuwi kami agad? Abangan. Sa Cineplex kasi meron akong subscription monthly, no? $10 per month. Meron na akong isang libreng ticket per month. Tapos yung pangalawang ticket is discounted price din, which is $9 something, equivalent to $10 din. Tapos gumagamit ako ng points from Scene Points. So basically wala na akong binabayaran kasi gumagamit din ako ng points pag nagpa-purchase ako ng ticket. Tapos syempre bibili rin ng konting popcorn, by points din ng bayad ko. So normally ito gusto namin maging routine na manood kami ng sine like once a month. Hey, we're going to watch Here, let's collect our food first. Up here. There's our food.
Wow!
Is that the one? Do you want that? It's ours.
It's
put them on.
ours.
Yep. Do you like it? Yeah, me, what is that? Popcorn. Ito mga peeps, nandito na kami sa loob ng...
There's Mufasa!
Where? There's Mufasa, okay? Wow! What is that? Lion. What is that? Okay. Let's go. Here is Mufasa. F8, F7.
Hi, Beeps.
Hi, babes! Yes! Guess what? Natapos ni Kale yung movie! Did you like the movie?
Like this.
No, he likes it daw. So we watch Mufasa. What can you say about the movie? Is it good?
Why?
It's good. Yeah, I like it. It's about finding your home.
Ooh,
And our home is...
baby.
Yes, our home is Baby Kale, Daddy, and...
Mommy.
Very good. Diba? May natutunan naman pala si Kale. Although dun sa parang middle part ng movie, syempre yun yung hindi ganun karami yung mga actions. Ano lang, medyo chill. So itong kasama naming bagets, medyo nainip, lipat ng upuan.
Wala masyadong katabi.
Oo, wala naman kami masyadong katabi. And it's good thing na malaki nga yung mga space. Kaya, yeah. Kaya okay naman. Pero nung nasa climax na yung mga... yung marami ng actions. You are na-interrupting, mami.
Puro ka introduction.
Oo nga. Ayun, nung climax, na ulit siya, na-focus ulit siya sa panonood. Hanggang sa natapos na namin. And syempre, did you clap your hands when the movie was finished?
It's about 2 hours, diba? 2 hours plus.
Ayun, okay siya. So, this is the first cinema experience ni Kale, and we are very happy naman at na-survive niya yung 2 oras.
Survive natin.
Na-survive din namin kasi di naman siya ganun kagulo or kaingay.
Yeah.
Gutom lang siya palagi. Naubos na yung popcorn, donut. I'm hungry pa din. Nag-milk na, I'm hungry pa din.
Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase yung tiyan yan.
Kanino ba tiyan yan? Kanino nagmana?
Kay Daddy.
It's you.
Let's see. Peekaboo. Very scale. Uh-oh. Will you say hi, Pips?
Hi, Beeps.
And ngayon naman, dadaan lang kami ng Wahing. Bibili lang ako ng pangbulalo, yung bone marrow. Then si Caleb, dadaan lang ng Canadian Tire para bumili ng mailang tools.
Sorry, Papa.
And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4 verse 7.